Hello and welcome. My name is Xander. I will be your instructor through this tutorial. Now, this tutorial is actually part of a whole course which you can access the first stages for free here on YouTube. Now, in this tutorial, I might mention resources and other tutorials. Do check out the link in the video description, which will take you to the playlist, and also there will be a link to the resources so that you can access and follow along here on YouTube. Now, if you like this course, you found it useful, and you want to take that next step, you can find this course over at Udemy. All the links to the resources can be found in the video description. Now, don't forget, also subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and free course giveaways. This module covers the fundamental operations for managing data with PostgreSQL database, including inserting, updating, and deleting records. It also explores handling data integrity, working with relationships, and efficiently managing large data sets. By the end of this module, you would have learned the fundamentals of working with SQL to apply core data manipulation techniques. That includes inserting, updating, and deleting records in the database. You would have also learnt how to, with SQL and Postgres database, handle bulk data operations efficiently and implement database backups and restoration strategies. Although we will spend much of our time in the terminal creating and executing code, at the end of the module, we will look at pgadmin and how it helps us administrate our database to insert, update, delete records utilizing a graphical user interface. If you're looking for the source code or ERD diagrams, they should be connected to this tutorial as a download. If you have found yourself needing a reminder regarding any setup for the course, you can check out the tutorials at the start of the course. By completing this module, you would have developed the essential skills for managing data in PostgreSQL. These foundational techniques in this module are critical for any data-driven application, for example, or else they provide the foundation for you to then move into more advanced knowledge related to database management and optimization practices.